Fruit fly is one of the main pests to fruit trees, mainly affecting citrus, mango, melon, plum, pear, and more than 200 kinds of fruit trees and vegetables. Fruits are seriously infested by fruit fly, especially in the fruit development and the fruit ripening stage. The infested fruits will turn yellow and fall off before ripening. Yield can be seriously reduced up to 30%. If the infestation is severe, it may lead to crop failure. King's Abate is an insecticide from King Crimson, especially targets on fruit flies. It can attract the fruit fly adults through the sustained release of feeding stimulators and effectively kills them in areas away from the fruit. The benefits of King's Abate are obvious. Based on years of field test results in different countries, King's Abate can effectively reduce at least 40% losses caused by fruit fly infestation. And the benefits from the special attracting action. Orchard growers do not need to spray chemicals to the fruit. Therefore, when using King's Abate, there is no need to worry about the risk of phytotoxicity and residue to the fruit. And there is no need to consider the pre-harvest interval. Also, King's Abate is easy to use. Instead of spraying other pesticides wildly to all the trees, orchard growers only need to spray King's Abate to certain numbers of controlling spots in certain area. This will reduce the usage of pesticides in the field and provide a cost-effective and environmental-friendly solution to fruit fly control. So, how does King's Abate works? First of all, adult fruit fly require large amounts of high-protein nutrients to provide sufficient energy for mating and egg laying. Taking advantage of this behavior feature, our technical team has researched high-quality feeding stimulators through extensive scientific experiments comparing to sex attractants that only attract specific fruit fly species and only attract male fruit fly. King's Abate feeding stimulators can attract the vast majority of fruit fly species and can attract both male and female fruit fly. Secondly, King's Abate is a formulation with microencapsulated control-release technology, so that the attracting effect of feeding stimulators can last for a week. It can decrease the frequency of application and save labor costs. At last, the active ingredient of King's Abate is ivermectin. As an insecticide with stomach action, ivermectin can cause paralysis symptoms to attract fruit fly, resulting in less activity and starve to death after 2 to 4 days. If you like this video or you learn something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to click that notification bell. King Crimson, focus on your harvest.